Bayu bayanan. Dr. Mageu ke. Intanga zabo proverb.
Lipro lona.
Mara no pro. Uma Dr. Mageu. Oba namunye umdala kule uSmandla speakiri. No, itrompis yonke.
Arthur.
Ada. Yeah, Oskido. Upro nibathatha Pepsi aboganyane.
Guys, I'm not in that league.
Ufuna uyiphi league? Ufuna sikisa phezulu?
No, I mean I'm just a generation behind.
What is
Ayo angel
it?
penny who runs the proverb.
Same group, same WhatsApp group. Same WhatsApp group. Penny mambona uthi tatana. La baba la fana kabula li hairstylist yakhe. No, I don't have a problem with the reality show. But I want to know. So Bobeni begamele le show. Ut ende zonke lezinto azenzayo.
No, this is
It's his daily life.
Avule amatshe.
It's his daily life, this guy.
No, but this is a reality show. You had 13 episodes. So you waited
in 3 weeks.
Manje ufuna abantwana bakhe bonke. Athi balo. Akita kabazi bako bathi. Yeah, spirit sa shashkwambana. Sithole abantwana bami asibabethe ko papa ngithi you must know where your kids are.
I mean, really?
But you need to know where your kids are, bafethu. Papa phela shothi bekahamba south. Shawala nyazwakala khona. Bazomsakutata kaka. Emas nomrodo munye nayo. Nomrodo inkosi. Why isn't the poet? So, uyangidini like now into fanele TV was stop. Nimrod fanele kavala. Proverb fanele kavala. Pro approaches the show. Nice approaches in term angasa present.
Why?
Uyangidina now angithi umngane wami sicela umuntu osimami sicela let's say something like poitinyana lapha ngoba na amarizants ngapha umuntu uveze the whole package
Sis. Excess Kumba official still in the house? Your last thoughts, Abuti, please.
Not last. Uzahara bachonzana.
I don't know she's found what greener pastures.
Where? Babala nice.
No, Kaloku is an international company. She's moved from Usbu.
Wait, I don't know the story. Has she changed companies?
Apparently, this is a story we read in the week.
Oh.
And apparently it's international.
Borobi.
Go Robbie.
Yeah, but then good for her if that's the case.
Yeah.
Pro. Internationally, closer.
Kaloku, that's what they want to hear. They're closest overseas, baby. Closer.
I get go wrong. I don't understand the guy. I get go wrong. So,
and I don't know what's going on.
Transport.
Look, if it's what you say for an international deal, then I say big up and kudos to her. Just in case, you never know when you have to break out into song. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, just in case in the intermission.
Yeah, and I keep on. It's all everywhere. Yeah, let's go, boy. Let's go. Yeah. And someone imagine.
Yeah.
Namhlanje ebusuku bazokhipha S4. Every week bakhipha track like banenye vandaag ebusuku uzobona. Banokwenza ngathi uLouis Vega uBrawabo. No, I'm chilling with Louis.
No, but Bravo, honestly.
Akabalandeli na ku Twitter.
So we're chilling with Louis. But you know, ngathi bane gig ngathi bebafakela ngithi yabazi laba wabofeng badlala ngana abantu stadium like when people are still walking in,
finding their seats,
and then they act like they're killing it. Inikse dala bayenzile isithi ngiyazikhalela nje ngathi uDJ AJ wala mntwana na drill yeah athi join the same WhatsApp group What's all no fang bacabanga ukuthi ba-important basenza ama-DJ aba-international lakulive kuyabathatha uthi asameni siyogihima sami mara niyazi ndlala ngo-2 mina ngidlala ngo-11 babanike i-breakfast iy'thombe bebaziposta. Can't believe no, hashtag can't believe having dinner, having breakfast with the legend. You're not having breakfast. Anything, Louis, anything. Our friend was so important. Nalama kiko ama rooftop. Hey, bro, lalela chokula manda abantu emulukantu. Bese kuba nalezo zithi. Fresh na euphonic. No. Bese bayahamba bagcoka amasudu ngiba bagcokisa. Sebafaka amasudu amancane amasudu. Yena amasudu abangawathengi bese bathi angihalanga siniphe something. Asisponsor baniphile niphiwe likni inheritil bekushiye ukabona bakushonela bese wathi uzani so share impahla zakho abomkhulu banipha amasudu nyana amancane senithi awu yes, we have another song, we have a new song coming out we don't care, Joe, we don't like no laba basenza important bangibora yes, I can it's our gig computer no singabhadala eminyango singene seni computer ticket nina nanhlolo yethu bro sazama computer ticket man yini abantu bama computer ticket
yeah, but for your shows we must get tickets at computer ticket.
Yeah, but
or are you more important? Yeah.
Like good top 4 of the funniest comedians in the country.
Yes.
I'm number 1, but I'm top 4.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm 12. Man, I'm on my own. I'm on my own lane. I don't know who's doing what. But then you say, laba by 2, laba. And then they cheek. Let's do this, boy. Let's do what?
Let them flourish.
Flourish, and he just flourish.
What about Dr. Malinga? Do you feel about that?
No, I feel like Dr. Malinga was like people are too sensitive. Dr. Malinga is one happy guy.
Yeah.
You need confidence to have green trousers, Joe.
and to wear them here in your chest.
You are very happy, like you are. Your level of happiness is untouchable. Like Umfangeni is very happy. You can't wear this t-shirt and say,
you're unhappy.
It's true. He's happy, Joe. Like Dr. Malinga happy.
Yeah.
And the winning song of the year was Zenzeli Award. Uyi song of the year. Zenzeli Stengel Award. Wapala song of the year. Dr. Malinga Aglalig Monemal. For me, that is happiness, Joe. So. Uthi ukhuluma noNSTC abantu basensitive kuyazi like le country sinenkinga eningi kuli sinenkinga yesasa iCPS ngapha uPro ngapha ngapha Feng ngapha sto Helen Zilo sibiza ngezinto osibiza ngama cologne sinenkinga eningi abayeka Dr. Malinga namabhuruku akhe apinki belo Dr. Malinga ngana electricity. Oh, you use an electricity name, but just bright. Come on, move on. Makala. I just say clapping. I get out happy So people are taking things too serious. Good luck to my main man, Prapop.
Yes.
Good luck to Prapop. I hope you. If it doesn't mean obvious things, I'm telling a pen. No, my God.
No, I'm telling that.
My show in Midbank, I think I'm left with 30 tickets. The Rich Casino in Seval is 6 Aramei, Port Elizabeth, East London, and the weekend, your freedom, interesting 27, and they are and speedy recovery to Ahmed Katrad, Matanga Paula, man, Bamanga Baba Paula, Bamnisila something about Yana tools. Nege ulale pants ulinde baba.